In a room of just 23 people, the chance that at least two share a birthday is slightly above 50%. That sounds impossible only if you count people instead of comparisons. One person has one birthday among 365 possible days, so 23 can feel tiny. But the question is not whether someone matches one chosen date. It is whether any pair matches. 23 people create 23 times 22 divided by 2, or 253 distinct pairs. That explains why opportunities grow quickly. But those pair events overlap, so multiplying pair probabilities as if independent is wrong. Directly counting every possible collision pattern is messy. The clean route counts the complement. First, find the probability that every birthday is different, then subtract that probability from 1. The first person can land anywhere. The second must avoid one occupied day. The third must avoid 2. Each new person has fewer safe days, so the no collision probability keeps shrinking. For n people, multiply 365 minus k, divided by 365, from k equals 0 through n minus 1. 1 minus that product is the probability of at least one share birthday. The exact curve starts slowly, then climbs. 10 people give about 11.69%, 20 give 41.14%, and 22 reaches 47.57%. The 23rd person pushes the exact model to 50.73%. 22 stays below 1/2. 23 moves above it. So 23 is the first threshold, not a magical calendar fact. At 23, there are 253 comparison opportunities and only 365 birthday buckets. The pair count explains the surprise, but overlapping pairs are dependent. The sequential complement product supplies the exact answer. This model treats birthdays as independent and uniformly distributed over 365 days, and it ignores leap day. Real births vary by season, and related people may not be independent, so real room probabilities can differ slightly. A hash function maps inputs into fixed output buckets. If outputs behave like independent uniform draws, collisions become likely on the scale of the square root of the bucket count. Real cryptographic security needs stronger analysis. This is an analogy, not a proof. Define the buckets, count the no collision path, then take 1 minus the complement. Under the stated birthday model, 22 gives 47.57%, while 23 gives 50.73%.